So it really all started with me collecting sneakers, and then all of a sudden, I'll say right around the beginning of 2021, I started getting hip on all the Hat Club exclusive and Lids hat drop exclusive drops. And now we got a lot of hats since early 2021, which we're going to drop a full collection video here today on YouTube. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into yet another video, man. If you guys are new to the channel, right now what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and right now, man, right now, we're going to stop for a couple seconds. Everybody, hit that like button, man. The likes go a very, very long way. It helps the channel grow and it puts us in an algorithm. If you guys did not watch how to, you know what I'm saying, curve your brim, your hats video, it went super crazy. It was a lot of interaction. I think that video was like damn near about to hit 200,000 views. So I appreciate everybody that tapped into that video. How to properly curve your brim. I ain't perfect, but that's the best way I know how. And I'm always trying to, you know, get better at curving my brim. This one right here is a snapback. It's just, you know, a regular little, you know what I'm saying, hat. None of the exclusive ones that I do have, which we're going to show you guys in this video, man. You guys let me know down below in the comment section, man, how many hats you do have. I think I have roughly 50 if I'm not mistaken. So we can kind of browse these things pretty quickly. All right, so for the first hat that I ever bought off of Hat Club, or maybe even Lids Hat Drop, was this Pirates joint right here. I really love how they had, you know what I'm saying, the yellow hits in the logo and on the side patch as well. This just makes everything look good to go. And I have a lot of sneakers that go perfect with this Pirates cap right here. All right, next we have a Rockies cap. You guys see it, super loud, super beautiful. And I haven't worn this so much, but I definitely know I got to get some kicks that go perfect with these. That green hit on that side patch is very beautiful. Colorado Rockies. Next, we have a Cincinnati Reds. I think one of my go-tos. Shout out to the homie who actually put me onto this one. Didn't know where to find it. He led me in the right direction, and now we have this beautiful crown right here. One of my favorite hats that I do have in the collection is this Oakland A's right here. And the side patch just speaks for itself, all over that kind of, you know, forest green colorway. Super beautiful. Another one that I had to jump on was this New York Yankees joint right here. Really love how they had that forever, you know what I'm saying, embroidered on the side of the front. I know this is a collab drop that they did a while back. Now you guys can probably hear me saying one of my favorites a lot, but this one by far is my favorite in the hat collection. The Chicago Cubs cap right here. You got the bear on the front, harvest orange all the way around it, just super nice with the red and blue hits on the front. Just now, I know it's a couple of Los Angeles baseball teams, not too sure, but I'm just gonna throw this one out on a limb. This is Los Angeles Dodgers right here in that baby blue colorway, and the side patch isn't that spectacular on here. I literally got this one just for that baby blue, sky blue color and that big white LA on the front. This is my latest pickup right here. I haven't worn this so much, but it does has a lot of nice hits in. You got that kind of got that metallic silver with that baby blue mixed in with the big Phillies on the front, and then the side patch right here is super big. I love it. That side patch is just so spectacular, so beautiful, and nothing special with the brim or anything like that. Just the colors they threw in the logo and the side patch. You know what I'm saying? I had to grab it. We got another Chicago Cubs cap right here, another crown. Pretty basic in my opinion. I got a lot of different colors entwined in them joints. You just got an all over red brim. You guys know red is my favorite color. Can't go wrong with it. Got a Montreal Expos cap right here in that burgundy or that Bordeaux colorway. Went perfect with my Bordeaux Air Jordan 1s and of course the Bordeaux Air Jordan 7s. Got a Tigers crown right here. Pretty basic, all over navy blue. And then you have, like I said, that same drop. Got the peace sign on this side with the forever embroidered on the bottom of the brim. This is also one of the first crowns I did purchase, and this kind of got me in the love of actually buying caps. This is San Diego Padres cap right here. You guys see that nice big side patch. Something that gravitated to me well. Someone was like, yo, buy me now. And as you guys see, we have this bad boy. Think this is the Phillies. I'm not too sure. But this one right here, I really wanted because I have the Air Jordan 6 cigar pack or championship pack. You know, the all green joints. It goes perfect with those sneakers right there. I haven't pulled them out yet, but when I do, just know I'm gonna pull this crown out right here. And just check out the underbrim right here. All gold, man. Just super beautiful. And then we got a Diamondbacks cap right here. You guys can see big A on the front with that Diamondback right behind it. Got your baby blue hits, got some teal hits as well. Oh, this bad boy right here is so cold, man. Got the mocha brown brim and the mocha entwined into the logo and the side patch, some hits of pink and gold in there. This joint is just super beautiful. Another Montreal cap right here in that Bordeaux burgundy colorway. You know what I'm saying? Matches with a lot of the kicks that I have, so I had to get this one. And this one has like an all over corduroy hit on the crown. You guys can see by the side patch, you got your hits of burgundy and gold as well in there. One of the loudest crowns that I do have, you guys can see, is super vibrant. Got that St. Louis right here, super nice. Can't go wrong with it. Checking out that side patch right there. It also came with this little pin along with the cap when I bought it. Got another Pirates cap right here. You guys can see nothing too special about this one. This one's green in the logo and on the side patch, super beautiful. Another one of them off-white sailors caps right here, New York Yankees. Got the pink entwined into the logo and of course on the side patch right here. And I'd be lying to you guys if I told y'all I know what team this is. I don't know at all. Maybe Cincinnati, maybe Chicago. I honestly don't know. I just bought this one, seen it sitting in the lids. I was like, you know what? Why not snag it for that 50% off? And I bought both of these crowns the same time. You guys see they kind of had the same colorway. Got that burnt orange on the brim of this one, but you have the burnt orange, you know, more predominant on the logo for this Toronto cap that we do have right here. And then you guys can see the side patches on both of these, man. I think I had buy one get one half off, so I was like, why not grab both of these? Got the KC representing the hometown. Can't go wrong with it. Got another Chicago Cubs one right here. I think this is like the first, you know, batch of hats that I did purchase. I went crazy. You got to spend like $500 the first month I started collecting, and I had to grab this one, pink underbrim, along with this Pirates joint. Don't get a lot of words out of it because it has that all over tannish hit. So I don't know what sneakers to wear it with. Kind of don't fit my style, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make it do what it do. I'm gonna pull it out one of these days, man. Got a Florida Marlins right here. You guys see the nice red and orange hits in there. You also get that burnt orange on the underbrim. I think this is a Milwaukee Brewers. Couldn't go wrong with it. Kind of has that Christmas colorway, red, green, and check out that side patch, all-star game. And then next we have a Texas Rangers cap right here. This one right here is super nice. I know a lot of people probably don't like this one, but for me, I just feel like that burgundy and that forest green color went perfect together. And then check out the side patch, nothing too spectacular. You guys gonna see a lot of Chicago Cubs in this collection because that's probably one of my favorite, one of my go-tos. You guys can see, got the orange hits, you got the forest green, you got the mocha hits all the way around it, and the side patch, it speaks for itself. Here goes two of my most recent crown pickups. You guys can see it matches perfectly with those SB4s up there behind me. You guys see them, man. Goes perfect with it. And I actually wore, I think this one or that one, for when I picked up the Air Jordan 14 Lanies. You guys check out the side patches. Look at that one, just super nasty. 35th anniversary. And on this right here, got the Tropicana. I think this was like an all-star game or something like that, or Tropicana Field, St. Petersburg, Florida, man. And then the crown I do the most damage to just because it is so versatile. You got the Boston Red Sox right here, all over midnight navy with the Boston Red Sox logo on the front. And for the side patch, nothing too spectacular, just an all-around go-to day-to-day cap. Here we have it, the Cincinnati Reds one right here, another one of my go-tos, another one of my favorites. Got an Oilers cap right here, same kind of colorway as the one that I showed you guys previously. Got the forest green, got the purple hits on the underbrim, and then check out the side patch, super nice, 50th anniversary. I love how they put this one here together. Next we got another Chicago Cubs one right here. You guys can peep it. I love how this one came out, baby blue all the way around it. Got the side patch right here, underbrim. And another sleeper that I found sitting online, man, check it out. Boston Red Sox crown. Gotta love it, harvest brown all the way around it, kind of like more of a mocha brown. And you had the same pink hits on the side patch, super huge side patch, and you got the pink underbrim. Another one of those loud crowns that I grabbed, don't wear it a lot. Got a Toronto Blue Jays crown right here with the orange and yellow hits on the side patch. Of course, you guys can see. Got an Atlanta Braves cap. You guys see it, nice side patch, nice front logo, nice all over around colorway. And whenever I want to pull out any of my mocha sneakers, this is most likely going to be my go-to right here. White Sox. I told you I'm gonna see a lot of Chicago Cubs, man. Look at it, a lot of Chicago Cubs crowns. Got the red and mocha hit all the way around it. This wasn't anything in limited edition or nothing like that. Just one of them nice colorways you might see sitting on, you know, Liz Hat Drop a Hat Club. Had to snag it up. Got a Los Angeles Dodgers right here, all over like off-white sailors hit with your pink and brown hits on the side patch. Yo, what I tell y'all, you're gonna see a lot of Chicago Cubs, man. It's my go-to, bro. Every time I see them, I gotta snag them. I'm not from Chicago, but I feel like they make the best colorways for the Chicago Cubs crown. Got another Cincinnati Reds crown right here. I like how they put the Cincinnati, is that an apple or something? I don't know what that is. It's like an apple or a tomato on the back of the hat, and the side patch isn't anything too spectacular. Another Toronto Blue Jays. I rocked these with my Air Jordan 6 UNCs like last year when they first dropped. Nice little fit out of them. Got the little gold hits on the side patch. and the front logo. Got a San Francisco crown. Rock this with all my shattered backboard colorway sneakers that I do have. Can't go wrong with this one. Bruh, I told y'all. It's gonna sound like a broken record how many Chicago Cubs crowns I have. Super versatile crown right here. Got your red, got your black, got some turquoise, some baby blue, some yellow, and that side patch is just so beautiful. I'm gonna cop it every time, I'm telling y'all. I believe this is the Astros. I think it's definitely the Astros. You guys see the halo over the A, side patch, and I might not be picking it up, but it's an off-white crown with the mocha brim. Super basic hat right here. Just got this because it's all red with the white hit. New York Yankees, can't go wrong with it. World Series patch. That's the most basic of basic, if I'm being honest. Got a Detroit Tigers crown, all black. Another one of those go-tos. You don't got to be too matchy-matchy. Just black and white. Can't go wrong with it. Probably one of the most beautiful crowns that I do have. Got the Oakland A's. Got that pink popping off that yellow. Just so spectacular. You got your World Series patch on the side. And then last but not least, man, we got two Cincinnati crowns. This one right here has to be the favorite out of the two. Got the nice side patch on this one. This one over here isn't that bad. Just have not worn it yet. Don't have any sneakers to go with it right now. Like I said, that's a super easy fix. You can wear all white pair of kicks, all black pair of kicks. It don't matter. Just got this just because I feel like that mocha and that teal colorway went perfect together. Whew, man, I did not even know I had that many hats. I know this is gonna be a hell of a one to edit, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Me showing you guys all of the hats that I currently do have in my hat collection. Still growing on a day-to-day basis. I'm always browsing different sites, seeing what they got sitting. So like I said earlier in the video, y'all drop down below how many hats you got in your collection. And let me know which ones I should be eyeing some upcoming drops where you purchase your crowns from. And I'm gonna link down below in the description box where I mainly get my hats from. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. And like I said, man, let's run them likes up, doing something different, showing you guys all the hats you guys see in rotation when I'm recording these videos. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.